Hey guys, welcome back to Learning English with Kate. Today I'm going to teach you the idiom, you snooze, you lose. You snooze, you lose. Which means if you wait too long for something, you're going to lose an opportunity to get something that you want. So for example, your mom asks you, "Did you apply for that job already?" And you say, "No, I haven't done it yet." And your mom goes, "Well, you snooze, you lose, you know. You snooze, you lose." Meaning if you keep waiting to apply for that job, you're not going to get it. Someone else is going to get it who applies earlier than you. So you snooze, you lose. I want to teach you about the idiom to keep a straight face. Keep a straight face. That is when you don't want to laugh in a certain situation. So for example, you and your coworker are sitting at a very formal business meeting and your boss is saying something, but you start giggling and you can't stop, and your friend tells you, "Shh, keep a straight face. Keep a straight face. Don't laugh right now." I hope that helps you guys, and I hope you don't have that situation in your meeting with your boss. Keep a straight face, guys. An idiom of the day is, what do you make of him? What do you make of him? Or what do you make of her? What do you make of her? Meaning, what do you think about this person? What is your evaluation about this person? So for example, you have a brand new boss or manager in your company and you ask your coworker, "What do you make of him? What do you make of him?" Meaning, what do you think about our new boss? What is your evaluation of our new boss? All right, so I hope you guys enjoy that. Please don't forget to share with all of your friends. Today's idiom is in the clear. In the clear. That means that you are free from all blame. Free from all blame. You're totally innocent in a certain situation. So for example, you had a car accident and it was not your fault. So the police comes and says, "Don't worry, you're in the clear." Don't worry, you're in the clear. That means don't worry, you're innocent. It wasn't your fault. Hopefully that's the situation with you guys, and hopefully you don't even have an accident. Why don't you guys give it a try and try to write a sentence to me in the comments below so we can totally check your comprehension. Did you ever watch an action movie and somebody is killed in cold blood? Killed in cold blood? And you're asking yourself, what does that mean, in cold blood? That means that they were killed without any mercy. They were killed in a very terrible way, and the killer had no mercy on this poor person that got killed. So the person was killed in cold blood. Let me know what's your favorite action movie, and maybe you watched somebody being killed in cold blood in a movie. So in the comments below, just tell me, what is that awesome action movie that you watched? Today's phrase or idiom is keep me company. Keep me company. Meaning, I would like you to come with me or stay with me and accompany me to a certain place, or just stay with me for now. So for example, you want to ask your friend to come and hang out with you for the evening. Come and have some pizza with you. And you would tell her or him, "Can you come tonight and keep me company? Can you come and keep me company, please? I feel kind of lonely. I would like you to stay with me tonight." Hopefully this helps, and hopefully you guys have an awesome friend who can keep you company. Why don't you guys write me down below who you like to keep you company on lonely days? Today's idiom is keep in mind. Keep in mind. That means to think about some other facts surrounding the issue you are discussing. So for example, you ask your coworker, "I wonder when I'm gonna get a raise. I really think I deserve a raise." But your coworker tells you, yeah, I agree with you, but keep in mind that you have only been working here for 6 months. Keep in mind that you have only been working here for 6 months, so it's not time for a raise yet. So she wants you to consider the fact that you haven't been working long enough. I have another body part idiom that I want to talk to you about, and that is giving the cold shoulder. Giving the cold shoulder. That means that someone is ignoring you. So for example, you have been talking to this handsome guy and you're hoping to start dating him or get engaged to him, and your friend asks you, so tell me all about the new guy. Unfortunately, he's giving me the cold shoulder. He's giving me the cold shoulder. He has been ignoring me for a long time now, so I don't think it's going to work out. Hopefully you guys don't get a cold shoulder for the guy you're interested in. Today's idiom is, your guess is as good as mine. Your guess is as good as mine. So that is when you don't know something. So for example, your coworker asks you, do you know when the manager is going to give us a raise? And you tell them, your guess is as good as mine. I don't really know. Your guess is as good as mine. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that one and hope you get a raise soon at your work. Did you ever hear somebody say, oh, she is a peach? She is a peach, or he is a peach. That means that someone is so lovely and helpful. So for example, I don't know who to ask for help on my math exam. I need to study, so who can I ask? Who would be nice? And your friend tells you, well, you can ask Lisa. She is a peach. Lisa is a peach, meaning she is very kind and lovely and helpful. So you will feel comfortable asking Lisa for help to study on your exam. Has anyone ever told you, I've had it up to here? I've had it up to here. Or just simply, I've had it. I've had it. It means that their patience has run out on a certain problem or issue. So their patience is gone. They are very angry about it, or they just had enough. They don't want to put up with the problem anymore. So I've had it up to here with the new manager telling us what to do. Or I've had it with the new manager. I've had it. Hopefully you guys haven't had enough of my videos. I want to talk about another idiom dealing with the mind, and that is speak your mind. Go ahead and speak your mind. This is when you're asking someone to speak freely and speak openly and honestly. So for example, you have a problem with your friend and you had a little fight, and she comes to you and she says, can I just be honest with you and tell you exactly how I feel? And you would answer, sure, go ahead, speak your mind. Speak your mind. Tell me exactly how you feel. And by the way, this is the best way to solve all of your problems. Today I'm going to give you another idiom about the ears. So if somebody ever tells you, I'm all ears, I am all ears, that means that they're willing to listen to what you have to say. So for example, you go to your friend and you tell her, can I tell you my problem? And she tells you, sure, I'm all ears. Sure, I'm all ears. This means that she is ready and willing to listen to your problem. Another body part idiom that I want to talk to you about is seeing eye to eye. Seeing eye to eye. This means when you agree with someone about what they have told you. So for example, there is a problem at work and this coworker just told you about a possible solution and you completely agree with her. You will say that you and her have come to see an agreement and you see eye to eye. You see eye to eye. Hey guys, welcome back to Learning English with Kate. Did you ever wonder what is the difference between these and those? These and those? Well, they're just plural forms of this and that. This and that. So when you say, I like these books, that is the plural form of I like this book. I like these books, the ones you have. But if you're saying, I like those books, it is the plural form of I like that book. So I like those books. I like these books, and I like those books. Hopefully that made some sense. Until next time, take care, guys.